What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm at work, y'all. What's up? Somebody gonna get a surprise, okay? Something about a surprise. Something about a surprise, okay? Something about some luck, okay? For your higher thinking, being cold-hearted, cutting somebody off, okay? Being cold, blah, 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 blah. Look, didn't I say? Surprise and luck. Somebody about to have a good, lucky surprise coming in, okay? You could be feeling lucky, okay? You could be feeling lucky. How y'all doing? Grand Rising, Grand Rising, Grand Rising. My morning started at 3:30 this morning. I've been up and at work. You heard me? Something about stop. Okay, so you need to stop something, okay? Tell somebody bye, okay? I feel like somebody health, they may need a hug concerning their health. Somebody getting some setbacks, okay, for fucking with you, okay? I feel like some sort of joy is about to come to you. Spirit is saying breathe, okay? Just breathe. Just breathe on it. Look, LOL for you, okay? So you get to laugh at somebody for doing something to you. You get to laugh at somebody. Look, what it say? Karmic relationship, okay? Yeah, telling lies right here. Take a risk. They took a risk telling lies, okay? Spirit is saying you need to take a break from this because I feel like you're about to have some good news and that's going to make you level up. It's going to put a smile on your face, okay? It's going to relieve some sort of stress that you've been going through, okay? You can have feelings about somebody, okay? You can have mixed twin girls, okay? Light-skinned twin girls. Somebody for you could have twin girls, okay? Something about twin girls. You don't even know. I don't know. You don't even know. I'm at work on break. I'm really doing this with my YouTube channel because I ain't something about some pain, okay? It said your vibes attract your tribe. So basically, like, you attract your company. You attract the company you keep, okay? Forward moving. Some of you could be moving forward, but I feel like you don't believe this. But Spirit is saying be fearless and be authentic about everything, okay? And also be open to change. And I feel like something about a group that you're around, you need to change the group that you're around, the groups that you're hanging around, the people that you're around. Yeah, group came back out. Something about a group. I'm at work, so don't mind me, okay? Something about this group is mysterious, okay? Could have you concerned, okay? Or feeling like you gotta watch somebody. You could be seeing 444. It says out the closet, okay? So somebody could be coming out the closet. I don't know. Put it where it fucking resonates. What the hell? Somebody could be coming out the closet. Somebody could be on the down low. Confused behavior. Yeah, I feel like somebody is confused about their sexuality. What? I don't know. Put it where it fits. Let's get into this deck. New deck, new message. New deck, new message. How y'all doing this rise? I hope everything is okay. Hope everybody is good. It says backstabbing. Okay? Finding out your friends, your ex-lover, your family members have backstabbed you. Okay? It says not a chance in hell. I feel like you felt like, wow, not a chance in hell. This is the person. When you find out, you're going to feel like, this can't be. Look, I got Sagittarius here. You could be a Sagittarius. They could be a Sagittarius. It said explode, going through karma. Somebody going through karma. I feel like they can't believe it. Okay? They can't believe it. It says not open to change. Pop-up visit. Okay? Going to happen soon. Somebody gonna be popping up on you. It got Scorpio here, water sign, third party. Wow. So somebody motherfucking third party Scorpio is gonna be trying to pop up on you, friend, baby mama, family member, wife, side chick, side dude, side husband, ex baby mama, ex whatever the fuck gonna be trying to pop up. And it says our story isn't over in reverse. I feel like you like shit, this shit is over. Once everything come out, never should have lost my trust. You feel like this person never should have lost your trust. Treating with a past karmic, okay? Treating with a past, okay, lover. It could have been going on 3, 5, or 9 months to a year. You know what I'm saying? 3 years. Okay, this person could have been with you. You could have been with them. I feel like right now you in high vibration. You really don't give a fuck because you already know your ancestors is about to whoop their ass. It says my ancestors is on your ass. Okay? Clover. 4-leaf clover, baby. Lucky. Real. Risky business. Okay? I feel like you take a lot of gambles, okay? But you always, when you take gambles, you always get good fortune back, okay? You always give somebody a chance. I feel like, and they backstab you. Every time they backstab you, it says karmic involved, okay? Bad talking you. Somebody, it could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, low vibing ass energy. You know what I'm saying? Cheating with a past person, which could be the Cancer, the Scorpio, and the Sagittarius, and we have a Taurus here. Okay, you could put it where it fits. You could be the sign, they could be the sign. It says everywhere, okay, everywhere you go, they go. Everywhere you go, you deep. Everywhere they go, they deep. Haters, fake motherfuckers, snakes. So I feel like anywhere this person go, they don't, somebody always with somebody. It's always somebody around. It's always a group. It's always a toxic ass group of karmics. Okay, a group of bad people around this person. It says mine bigger than yours. Okay, so somebody having you see what that says? Somebody having a competition. Could be a Libra cheating with an air sign. So a Libra could be cheating with an air sign. Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, Libra. Wow, ego. Somebody need to get an ego check. Okay, because it ain't. Open your gifts. Spirit is saying, open up your intuition. You know what the hell going on. You know exactly what's going on. I don't know. Some just said, pop on here and get y'all to read. Confused. Okay, I feel like somebody acting confused, but they know exactly what the hell going on here. Magic. Okay, somebody know they doing magic on you. Somebody know that they trying to cause something to go wrong with your life. Sex. Okay, they don't want you to have no good sex. I'm seeing here no abundance. Okay, I feel like they playing a manipulation game. Okay, trying to fuck with your energy. Okay, but they had a missed opportunity, or they missed their opportunity. One more. So I just said something about twins. Is that in here? So yeah, I said, yes, you will be financially stable, huh? I just mentioned twin girls, mixed twin girls or something like that. I just said that. I think that was in the last deck when I just said something about twin girls. But it says cheating in public. So this person even had the balls to be walking around cheating with this person in public. It says they can't give me what I want. Get it from you. Okay, so somebody feel like since you not giving them what they want, they feel like they bold enough to even go out in public and cheat with somebody. Like, wow, you just a bold motherfucker. It says go within and fix the problem. Okay, they just want sex from you. Spirit is saying all they want, look, single meat. They out here playing single because all they looking for is sex. All they looking for is a good time. You got to do some inner work, okay? You don't want to be blocked from your blessings, okay? Soaking in your pain, soaking in your loss, soaking in your sorrow. You know what I'm saying? Throw that shit up in the smoke and keep it going. It says toxic player coming, okay, coming. A toxic person is coming around. Spirit is warning you, okay? Cheating with the motherfucking fire sign. Could be cheating with the fucking Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, okay? They only telling you half the truth, okay?